Hi, my name is Liz. I'm one of the occupational therapists practicing in hand therapy at the Assistive clinic. Today I want to show you guys a few adaptive equipment I've been able to get into some of my clients who have pain issues from arthritis or any other high-end concerns that includes hand weakness. So we're going to share a few of the items today. One of them is called an automatic jar opener, and the other one we're going to talk about is a can opener. So both of these products are battery powered. I'm going to do a quick demo on the jar opener, which a lot of people with arthritis or hand weakness struggle with, and we want to be able to introduce this product so that they'll be able to continue doing these tasks a little bit more independently at home with minimal pain. Okay, so we're going to grab a jar. Now the company recommends working and opening jars with a metal lid. However, we have tried with plastic ones, but it does work a little bit better with the metal lids. So what you do is you center this product on top of the lid. Once you do that, you push on the green button here and you press down for a few seconds in that position, and then you let go. The machine will actually close up that gap, and then it will do everything on its own. So you just have to wait, hands free from there on, and then you should hear a pop. Yep. There you go. That's it. So wait for it to finish what it needs to do, including it kind of like opening up before you get in there and take the cap off. So now it's all done. What you do is take that machine off. Now there's no pressure on the lids anymore, so you'll be able to kind of hold it, take it off. Done. Now the other product that we want to just quickly show you, but we haven't got the batteries in, is this is a can opener. It's quite small. Again, if you have trouble like pulling up the ring and pulling out yourself, what you need to do is there is a magnet on the bottom, so it's a safety mechanism. What you do is place the device on the top of the lid of the can, and it has to have a bit of a ridge. If it doesn't, it won't work. So make sure you center that. It will kind of clip onto the can itself. Push the button, hold down, and then what we'll do is it will zip around the top, and it will open it up for you with no sharp edges. So they're the two products that you might find helpful if you're struggling with a few joint problems, hand, wrist pain, weaknesses in the hands and the wrist. They're items that you can look